Hello, this is Ahmad Atiyah from Dynamics Link Egypt. I would like to give you a quick demo for the quality management module that we have developed in business in Dynamics Link. We will not demo all the system. We'll just show you how you can make quality management for your source documents. For example, I can from the setup QC document setup, I can decide if I need to have quality management for purchase orders, for assembly orders, or for production orders, or for transfer orders. And also you can set up the quality control method. Should you do that after or before posting? So if I create purchase order and I have activated the quality management module, if it's before posting, you will not be allowed to post the receiving before you finalize the quality tasks. And here you have a QC admin. This admin can bypass some of the tasks or measures that you will face while doing the quality management. Okay. Also, you have in the quality control, you have the quality measures, and these measures are just codes, and you can define the appearance. It could be option, poor, normal, good, or perfect. Color, optional. It could be text, a question, input decimal or date or number or numeric, whatever you want. And also you have minimum value and maximum value. From all these measures, you can configure templates. So the idea behind templates that while you're doing templates, for example, this test template, I'm doing this and I choose a few of the measures for this template as QC template. Okay, so now I can go to the item. Let's say this item, if I go down, I can see that the QC required for this item or not. So if the QC required, it means that system will not be able to receive or post the receiving for the order before completing the QC tasks. Also, you have the quality unit of measures. For example, I'm buying from my supplier with packs of 10. But when I do the quality management or the quality control tasks, I do it in pieces. I do the checks in pieces. Quantity, QC quantity percentage. If I'm receiving 100 pieces of this item, I need only to inspect 20 of them, 20% of them. So if you want to inspect all items, then you need to have it as 100%. And here you can see the QC template that's already assigned to this item. Okay. So if I go to the purchase order now, and I will create new purchase order, blue, the item, I will select this item and quantity 100, let's say. And I will select another item that does not need QC. Okay, so now this item I can receive without quality management or quality control. This item needs QC required here. You can see that it's required. So if I do release and the quantity to receive it's 100 and 200. So if I'm trying to post now, system should reject posting, and the QC to receive must be 0. So if I need to receive side panel and wait for the quality management to be done for the first item, I can do that. I can just make this 0. Make this one 0 and post receiving. So I will not receive the first one. So this one is now received, and this one still needs to be needs to pass the quality management control. So I can go to the process, create QC documents. Now the system created a QC document for me. So if I go to order, QC documents, I can see now this is the document that has been created for the quality management. Okay, so what you can see now, you have the header for the order and this is the item that needs to be controlled or checked or inspected. Let me just go to check item. Okay, and you can see that source quantity unit of measure in pieces. I'm buying 100 piece. QC unit of measure also pieces. Inspect item 20%. So it's 20 pieces. So I need to inspect only the 20 pieces. How many done and how many failed, how many in process, and quantity handled. So if I go to the inspect, what you can see here, all the items, all the 20 pieces of the items that needs to be inspected one by one. And these are all the measures for this item. For each line, you have the measures that needs to be fulfilled. And you have here also the mandatory one. So if I'm trying to, let's say this one still empty, I'm trying to make this pass test. So it tells me that there are some of the measures are flagged as mandatory, but since you are a QC admin, you can bypass this mandatory types. So do you accept this? I said no, so it will not accept. Or I can just accept it, yes. For the second item, I can enter the click here. Now I can see the option, normal, color, blue, yes, no, and this one, size, I can enter value at 150 and with 200, let's say. And this one, based on this one, I will accept. This one I will reject. This one I will reject. I will reject. I will reject or accept, and so on. So I need to go through all the items that inspect them, and if you need to have pass all, if you are an QC admin, you can do that as well. Okay. So now you can see here that pass 3 failed for in process 13. What also you can do, if you need to check in these three that already passed into your inventory, you need them urgent or something like that, you can do that. So you can auto fail quantity to handle 3. I can go to the source document and make quantity to receive 3. I can post this one as receiving. Put this one. Okay, this one posted. So you can see now the quantity handled already 3. And if you go to inspect again, you will see that they are the one that you have inspected is already gone, and you need to finalize this to finalize the QC tasks. Thank you.